once you take this out, you need something like this. This is a gap setter. And for this Toro 30 inch, it is a .034 gap set. You find the 3.4 on here. So here's the here's 30, 35, 40. So you put this little thing in here and you take it over until you get to 34. And what'll happen is it'll start going in on its own. Ooh, wow, that's perfect. Look at that. If you go too far, you just tap it. Yeah, there we go. I think that's about perfect 34. It's just a little flat tool. Champion makes them, everybody makes them. It's to set your gaps. Next, take that boy, and you don't want to over tighten it. So you just take your time. Take your time. Just snug. Don't break it, just snug. It's perfect. And then you put this on till you hear snap. Hear that pop? And there, it's changed. While I had this up, I might as well sharpen those blades. Now I'll clean this thing. This is what a bad spark plug looks like. Look at that thing. And I just changed these. I don't know if water is getting in there or what.